Hello everyone. So today I want to show you some tips and tricks in YouTube, and to be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure if everybody can do this or if it depends on your account. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Let's take a look at Robert Picardo's website as an example. Of course, Robert Picardo is the famous doctor from Star Trek Voyager. You can see his page here. He's got his name at the top. He's got some videos. He's got a fair bit of views. He's producing some pretty funny stuff right now. But that's all you can see on his page. Just those videos, you can click and see some more, but that's basically it. What I'm not sure people understand is there's a way to customize your YouTube channel to make it look a little bit different. As an example, let's take a look at another channel that I like to follow called Vsauce. Vsauce is pretty funny and educational, has some really neat things there. Now, when we look at Vsauce's channel, the first thing we'll notice is he has a lot of different options on his homepage. He's got a little featured video there that you can watch, and if you scroll down, you can see all of his videos, again with the play all, some shorts, and then some different playlists of different things that he finds is interesting, and they're cool videos to watch. And he did this by customizing his channel. So let's take a look at about how that's done. Let's go to my channel as an example. So I'm going to go into my channel. And from my channel, you're going to see the little video page, intro video that sort of plays automatically when you go to the page. And then you're going to see my Geek Wisdom playlist. These are all the videos that I sort of share that I recommend people watch from all around the net. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the Customize Channel button to choose some of those customization options to show you how that page is configured. We'll give that a minute for that page to load. And here we are, the channel customization screen. You have that channel trailer for those who haven't subscribed. And then you have the featured video for returning subscribers you can add. And you have the different featured sections. So you can see in mine, I have that Geek Wisdom section, and then I have another section called Short Videos. But you can control how that lays out on your channel when other people come and visit it. And we can do that by looking at this Add Section button here. You can click on Add Section, and you can choose videos, popular videos. You can choose Live Now. I'm going to pick for this one, I'm going to pick Single Playlist. And then let's look at a playlist that I want to show. So this is my Feel Good playlist. This is the playlist that I want to have added to my list when I want to have a little pick-me-up. It's a lot of jokes and funny things that I share, different clips from different TV shows and movies. So we're going to add that single list playlist there. As you can see, I'm going to bring it up and I'm going to put it right under my Geek Wisdom playlist, and then I'm going to remove that short videos because let's say I don't want to see that. So we got my single playlist, my feel good laughing playlist, and of course my channel trailer at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit publish, and that's going to create that channel and make that go live. So let's go over and click the publish button. Now we're going to give that a few minutes to publish to the site, and then we'll go and we'll see how it looks. Now, of course, what you're seeing here is the page from my own view. So this is how I see it, not how everybody else sees it. So let's just see what that would look like if you were a user for the first time. So we're going to go to that same channel as if I'm not logged in. We're going to see that page load. And what you're going to see now is I have that Geek Wisdom, and then again, that intro video that plays automatically, we'll stop that. And then if we go down, you can see now I have that Feel Good list. So you can see my Geek Wisdom playlist that you can watch, my Feel Good playlist, and again, you can customize your channel. I don't know if it's just me that can do this or certain YouTube users, because I know a lot of YouTube creators don't do that. Let me show you something else that I think is kind of neat. When you go to the end of a video, and we're picking on Good Morning Vietnam, as an example, at the very end of the video, YouTube automatically decides what you're going to watch next. And it does this by looking at, things you've watched and trying to recommend things to you different from different people. And it sort of pops up as an automatic video that's going to play. If you walk away, that's the next thing that's going to show. What many people don't know is there's a way that you can kind of control how that works. And I want to give you an idea of how that works. So here it's playing one automatically. But let's look at a different example where maybe you want to control what happens when the end of your video plays and what video you might want it to go to next for users. The way you're going to do that, let's pick on another channel as an example. So let's look up Matt Gabrielson's channel. Here we have Matt's page. We're going to click on his little picture there. You're going to see his channel. And on his channel, you're going to see this thing called playlists. And then on the playlist, you're going to see one called guest chats, where he puts all of his interview with different authors and people that he interviews. When you go to the page, you're going to see here's this address that comes up at the top, and you're going to see it's got this YouTube watch and then this weird code, and then afterwards it has this ampersand list and then a list ID. I want you to remember that because that's how we're going to control where the next video goes. So let's go to a video, just a different video, just to show. Actually, I'll pick that same video, but I'll open it up a little bit differently by clicking on his channel again. Let's go directly to that video. So here's the video. Now again, this is just the video without any playlist. And at the end, we're going to take that whole address and we're going to copy that address to a temporary spot. Let's just put it in Notepad for a minute. So this is the video that we would normally want to share, get it out there, spread the news on our social media. We're going to go into Notepad. And we're just going to remember that for a minute. We're just going to save that right there. Now what we want to do is we want to add to that address ampersand list equals, and then we want to paste the name of the list that we want to make the next video show up. So again, let's go back to the playlist and get what that list ID was. Remember I showed it to you before, but I'll just go back to the channel. I'll go into the playlists and I'll go back into that video. And now from this screen, you're going to see that ampersand list at the top, and we're going to copy that ID to our clipboard, and we're going to paste it at the end. And now what we have is an address that you can share on all of your socials that will share the targeted video that you want. And then after that target video, it will automatically play the next one in the playlist. So you can share it in that way when you post it to your Facebook or your Twitter or wherever you want to share it. And you know that afterwards it will move to the next video of the playlist automatically. And I'll show you that. I'll just quickly zoom to the end of this interview. And now you can see that instead of YouTube picking it automatically, what's going to happen is it's going to get to the end of the video and then watch what happens. So what you can see here is as the video ended, it immediately went into the next chat video automatically. And again, it'll just keep moving down and scrolling through. So by sharing the address that way, you can automatically sort of have some control over how the video moves. Now, of course, users can still go and choose and pick different videos as they want, but it's just a way of setting that initial setup when you share that link so that after one video goes on, it goes on and plays the next video that you want. So these are some YouTube tips and tricks that may work for some YouTubers, may not work for others, but it's all around that customized channel, how you can share those playlists, and to try to give you that intro video, maybe a short little intro video at the beginning to help people get used to your channel. And to subscribe, click on that button. I know that Matt is really close to his goal of 120 subscribers, so give him a subscribe. He's got some really great interviews, and I'd really appreciate it if you check them out.